Yeah. They got power inside, or?
Turn on.
I just like to see all the lights on and see what they got.
They leave,
Yep.
turn everything off.
Of course.
Before they come back, I come turn
Absolutely.
everything back on.
Well, let's turn everything on today so I can see power.
Yes, sir.
All these outlets. That's the first thing I do is look for all the power. Oh yeah. Okay, so the cathedral stops again right here. Okay. Awesome. Oh, I can see they had a leak in that bathroom on that vent.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, well, this thing looks great.
Because I had to kind of pack it.
So he's got a big hole right here. There's a hole right here. Yeah, that's a hole. Bad. Well, he is now. All right, so I'm making all our marks. Very first thing we do. Get out there, you're making the marks. Mark the centers. And we continue from one end to the other. And then if you notice right down here at the bottom, we do exactly the same thing. All the way across. And the reason why I'm putting that caulking on there today is because possible chance of rain, and I don't want to have a whole bunch of holes in my roof. But of course, this is the porch, and you know, with this piece of metal in this transition, this will never stop water from going in your house. This is always going to be a problem. You can't just put a metal roof down here and then connect metal to your mobile home. It'll always leak behind. And of course, rotted out the plywood and everything else on this roof. We're gonna put the EPDM rubber on this thing with a nice 6-inch overhang. Let's get some lines popped on this side right here. I hate that can't do anything over here. We really need to get the other side first. Oh yeah, it's leaking on the top side. Yeah, it's pouring. Can't stop that.